There's an ice cream truck outside. Come on, play your music. Okay, I'll be... Now suddenly everybody's coming up, not worrying about the coronavirus. Yes, I'm recording. Why? I have no idea. Oh my god. There's so many people. I've got to make this into a few parts. Alright. Ah. This is just a regular day in New Zealand. I hope you guys can actually hear them. Oh, there's a guy up there. And I'm just recording them creepily. You have to hear their sound. This is an experience. I'll be back. Still here. The family there have just gotten there. There's a car coming. Yeah, you walk off eating your ice cream. I have fish and chips for tea. Alright. Again. And then you got the Kazi down there getting his ice cream. And they're going back up in their mansion. Okay, there he goes. There we go. Play your music. There he goes. It's done.